Yeah, guys, breaking news. We're kind of getting flood. Summer, dude, this is way too much. Like my front porch is about to be swollen. Dude, that's like almost. You see that tire right there? You see that white? Here, I'll zoom in. See that tire right there, bro? Dude, that shit's huge. And like it's almost getting it. Dude, look at the car. That's my dad's old car. Dude, we're getting massive flood. Oh god. Dude, this is a massive flood. And it was hot earlier. Dude, look at that shit, man. That shit's getting low. But dude, that shit looks like soda. Can't say sorry, it's screen protector or whatever it's called. Window screen. It's full, bro. Dude, we're like almost getting flooded. Dude, it's swallowing that chair. And that chair is big. I'll show you my house. But dude, that chair is huge. Dude, knocked down my neighbor's plant. But dude, that chair, it swallowed a chair almost. And dude, that shit's like almost a foot. So this is a foot at least of rain I'm handling. So yeah, this is a breaking news. Yeah, a lot of rain. It's kind of helping out, but too much. Too much is not good. And I'm going. Oh, using Xbox, PS3, and controller. ¿Qué está pasando? ¿Qué? ¿Qué está pasando?
Estamos haciendo cemento allá, pa. Hay que hacerlo así. Hay que poner los blocks. ¿Ya vi?
No. Wow. Did you see the flash?
I'll let you my friend. It's pouring, I can't get out.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Dude, that shit's deep. Para allá, pa. Para allá dude, it swallowed the chair. You know those chair Kimberly broke? Chappies? No. You know the chair Kimberly broke?
Yeah.
It's like halfway. It has like all four of the legs. ¿Qué pasó, ma?
Ya agarramos mi ya. ¿Será que está lleno de agua?
Yeah, guys. Send help. We need a rescue van. Good. At least that's open, but not really. Oh no, my garden. Yeah, look at that chair. I feel sorry for the chair. That paper that I usually sell. My neighbor's backyard, though. Kind of our backyard, but not really. We're getting swallowed up. Dude, we're getting massive flood. Oh, damn it. So yeah, bros. If I was... Yeah, this is way too much water. You should see the front porch. This shit's huge. That's like taking almost a piece of wood. And that's like 3 inches. But dude, this is like a lake. Dude. Yeah. We're in California. This shit's taking over shit. Oh my god. This shit took over that. So yeah. Bye guys.